Okay, welcome back everybody to the Dream Whisper of Jesus. I've got the camera on zoom and we've got a black-shouldered kite in shot here, so a really beautiful raptor of the Australian bush. It eats rats, rodents, small animals on the ground. They've got really beautiful blood red eyes. It doesn't really show in the shot here, but if you get the lighting and get close up, they've got absolutely beautiful blood red eyes. So this bird's been on the local nature reserve where I walk for the past 3 days, so I really need to pray. It would be awesome if it set up a territory on my local nature reserve, then I could see it every day. So they're not threatened or vulnerable, but they do wander around quite a lot, so it would be awesome if it sets up camp where I walk all the time. They're quite unique, these birds. This raptor breeds in the winter time, so in the winter is when all the rats and mice are out and about trying to get food because there's not enough food, so this raptor specializes in breeding in the winter time to make the most of the abundant food supplies that it has in the winter. So that's in contrast to other normal raptors who nest in the spring and summertime. So yeah, I really love these guys. I've got the camera on zoom, so I'm about 30 to 40 meters away. So this bird's been on our local nature reserve for 3 days, so it's not really tame with human contact. So if it keeps coming here, it will slowly get used to me, and then I'll be able to get a little bit closer for some nice photos. But at the moment I've got the camera on zoom and just taking some shots from 35 meters away. Okay, I'll turn off the camera, but I'll see if I can make another video with this bird in shot. It's having a good preen at the moment, so I'll just keep the camera rolling a bit. He might be gonna spread out his wings and show his nice wings.